Looks like you have pirated Blockcraft 3D. Piracy is a serious crime according to the copyright law. For more information, go to https://wildlifestudios.com/anti-piracy. For your own safety, it is clear that you have to turn off your device. You have 5 chances. Oh, you didn't turn off your device. Now you lost a chance. You have 4 chances left. Please turn off your device or you will lose a chance. Seriously? You didn't listen to us. Come on. All right, 3 chances. If you ignore us 3 more times, then something bad is gonna happen. Turn off your device, please. Are you kidding me? You didn't listen to us again? Really? You're making us mad. And you wouldn't like us when we get mad. 2 more chances. Turn off your device. Okay, you are really getting on our last nerves. I swear, this is your last chance. If you don't turn off your device in the next 10 seconds, then you're not gonna like what happens next. You did it! Congratulations! You have turned off your device! We are so proud of you! Now you can continue playing or exit the app. Have fun!